Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Mishi Arts. Today I'm here with a product review and as you know I have reviewed another this is a hair mask, Bremod hair mask, and I found so many good reviews about it, so I simply decided to buy it and try it. So today now I'm going to give you the review and the price and the how is the texture and everything. So let's talk about this. At the end, at the bottom of the jar it's written the expiry date, okay, and as you can see the jar is very big and it says 1000 milliliter. It means 1 liter is the quantity of the mask, and this is sunlight nourishing hair mask. Okay, so Bremod is a company that gives a treatment series and it has the treatment products there where you can go for it, but this is the only thing I have bought. Okay, now this is that it says balance hair and scalp environment hair treatment from inside to outside. Okay, now this is how to use it. You have to simply wash your hairs with shampoo. You have to shampoo your hair and then towel dry. Take a proper amount of this product and evenly apply on your hairs. Heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently massage and rinse with water thoroughly after cooling. Now it says you have to apply heat, but I haven't applied heat. I simply wash my hairs. I did shampoo and towel dry it, and then what I did is I applied this mask as my hairs are a bit long, so I applied it properly, a generous amount, and then I wore a shower cap. I haven't given it any sort of heat. I simply wore shower cap, and then I applied it for 20 minutes, a good 20 minutes, and then the result was really good. Now let's talk about the texture and inner color and fragrance and all that. So look, this is how it looks like. There are red and blue granules also, and it smells really very nice, very good. And after washing, the hair are also very soft, shiny and manageable. My hairs are frizzy and they are having curls, but this really helped me balancing, and it also gave the volume to my hairs. Okay, so in my point of view, this is an awesome product that everyone can use, but I am going to use it twice a week initially, and then I'll go for once a week. You can go according to your hairs, but overall the product looks very good, and the jar itself is very attractive. The packaging is good, the amount is good. And now let's talk about the price. So I bought it for 1500 rupees and I ordered it online. So this is it. And if you are having any sort of treatment like keratin and all those rebonding type of thing, they need really a very good care. So you can also use this mask for that purpose also. As you know, let me tell you that I haven't applied or I haven't done any sort of treatment for my hairs. My hairs are natural and they just need some very good care. So what I do is I shampoo my hairs, I condition my hairs, and then I use this Bremod hair mask, and then wear a shower cap, and then simply rinse it very well after 20 minutes, and the results are very good. So thank you so much, Tuba, for recommending me this hair mask, and I really like it. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and stay tuned for my next video.